At the starting, to get the definition of control system, first of all we need to know about the system and what is control. System, this is an interconnection or the arrangement of different physical components or the elements and to get the desired output. Okay, that is the system. And what is control? Control means to direct, to regulate or to command. That is the control. So by combining these two definitions, system and control, we can say that control system is a system or it is the arrangement of different physical components in order to get the controlled output by directing, regulating and commanding some parameters of system. Okay, so here the important terms in the control system are the plant and process, plant or process. Okay, so the plant or process, that is the portion of system which is to be controlled by the controller. So the input is provided to the plant or process, and then after the processing on the particular input we will get the output. So basically there are two main types of the control system. First is the open loop control system and second is the closed loop control system. Depending upon the controlling action, there are two types. So the open loop system is what? The system in which the controlling action is totally depends upon the input. That is called as the open loop system, in which the feedback is not present. The output is taken as the final outcome of the system. In the closed loop system, the system in which the controlling action is not just depends upon the output, but the output is compared with the input with the help of the feedback element. Okay, so the feedback element and the input signal both are compared at the error detector, and the error detector will detect the error, and that error is sent to the controller, and that controller will take the corrective action towards the plant or process to get the desired control output. So the closed loop control systems are more accurate than the open loop control systems. Again there are various types, but for our syllabus we have open loop and closed loop control systems. So basic terminology is what? First of all we have a controlled variable, okay, and the manipulated variable. So control means we are regulating or we are commanding some parameters in the system. So we'll see the advantages of open loop system. Such systems are simple in construction, very much convenient when the input is difficult to measure, maintenance is easy. Generally the open loop systems are not having that much of complexity. There is no problem of stability also. So these systems are simple to design and they are economical. Disadvantages of open loop system: open loop systems are less accurate and they are less reliable because they are totally depend upon the calibration of the controller. Such systems give the inaccurate results if the variation in the external environment or the system cannot sense the environmental changes. Similarly, they cannot sense the internal disturbances also. So to overcome all these drawbacks, we are having the next system, that is the closed loop system, where the output measurement is necessary and the reduced effect of the non-linearities are there. This is the one of the advantage of the closed loop system. Again, the closed loop systems are less sensitive as compared to the open loop system to the disturbances and environmental changes. Feedback element is present in the closed loop system, that's why the error can be detected and the error can be reduced. So stability is the major consideration in the designing of closed loop control system. So as I said, the plant or process, that is the portion of the control system which is controlled by the controller. System is the arrangement of different physical component. Disturbance, it is a signal that can adversely affect the value of the output of system. So feedback control refers to the operation or the task in which the presence of disturbances, and that tends to reduce the difference between the output of the system and some reference input, thus show the basic of the difference. So this is the closed loop system. In this block diagram we can see we have a reference input which is given to the error detector or the summing point. So the output of the error detector, that is the error signal, which is given to the controller, and controller will take the controlling action towards the process or plant to get the actual output response. And there is the measurement device or the feedback element which is present in the closed loop feedback system. Examples of the modern control systems are the automobile steering control system. The driver uses the difference between the actual and desired direction of the travel. So automatic control systems, the modern control systems. Okay, so there are some examples of these particular types. So this is from the open loop and closed loop and the introduction